This refers to ability of a ship's hull and its subdivisions, compartments, doors, hatches, etc. to prevent water entering or spreading in the event of damage or flooding. Good evening, sir. My name is Miguel de la Torre, Section G2-1. The topic for today's the importance of watertight integrity. Maintaining watertight integrity is crucial for safety, prevents or minimize flooding, reducing the risk capsizing, sinking, or lost life. Stability helps maintenance shape stability and buoyancy. Damage control limits the spread of water and damage in the event of a breach. And K affects to ensure waterline integrity. Regular inspections. Checking waterline doors, eightings the compartments for damage or wear. Properly maintained or functioning. Training educating crew members of the importance of water integrity and proper procedures. Consequence of breach. A breach of water integrity can lead to flooding, loss of stability, and increased risks of capsizing or sinking. By prioritizing waterline integrity, ship operator can help ensure the safety, crew, passenger, and cargo. And that's all. Thank you.